Behold, the Kia. And this puppy actually tells you what it is. It is an EV6. And we're taking the door panel apart. And you believe it's just one screw? Yes, it is. It is hidden behind this puppy right here, this little rubber. I use this puppy right here to get underneath and pop it up. One screw. Hey, look, a bee again. Get this puppy out of the way. You gotta use something like this. These clips are Kia prone, and they are prone to break, as did one of them on the bottom. And I will show you after I pulled really hard from the bottom. There is an actual notch. I'll show you when I get this thing off. And pop, 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 and lift upward. After you unplug this guy up out of your way, and you take this guy and lift him up, exposing a blue clip. Push this guy in. That's your door handle. Clip and clip. Let's get this guy out of the way. And now, that's the speaker. That is your part number. 3 screws. See? I don't think you could do aftermarket with this. You probably could. This thing's guaranteed to be amplified because it is the Meridian system, as the other one says right there. Now, why is it not going right in? Who knows? You got these little guides right here, which aren't making life easy, because apparently I can't find the hole. Oh, there it is. Found it. These 3 screws. And that is the part number for this puppy. Also 2 screws. Now they did this purposely, probably so it would stay. It's a little hot glue part. I'm not going to take it out, but that's how you take this out. So, put the screws back, just the way you found it. Hand tight. These don't matter. You hit it with a drill. And like it, don't like it, share it, don't share it, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.